Press on, understanding its meaning and use. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the phrase, press on. Ever heard of it? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the phrase itself, let's understand the word press. In a literal sense, to press means to apply force or pressure on something, like pressing a button or pressing dough to make a flatbread. It's about applying direct action to achieve a specific result. When we say press on, we're not talking about applying physical force. Instead, this phrase is often used in a figurative sense. It means to continue doing something despite facing challenges or difficulties. Think of it as pushing forward or moving ahead, even when things get tough. For example, if someone is facing difficulties in their studies but decides not to give up and keep trying, they are choosing to press on. Understanding a phrase is easier with examples. Let's look at a few. 1. Press on. The finish line is just ahead. Here, the phrase encourages someone to continue moving forward because they're almost at their goal. 2. Even though the team faced many challenges, they decided to press on and eventually won the championship. In this example, the team faced difficulties but chose to persevere and ultimately succeeded. 3. Learning a new language can be hard, but it's important to press on and practice every day. This shows that even if something is challenging, continuing with determination is crucial. It's always handy to know synonyms or similar phrases. Some synonyms for press on are persevere, push forward, continue, carry on, keep going. And that wraps up our journey into the phrase, press on. Remember, it's all about moving forward and persevering despite challenges. Whenever you face an obstacle in life, just remind yourself to press on. Hope this video was insightful. Keep pressing on in your English learning journey.